In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change laser pointer color in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you present often, the color of your laser pointer can make a big difference in how clearly your audience follows along. A high contrast pointer stands out on busy slides, helps remote viewers see your emphasis during screen shares, and keeps attention where you want it. The good news is that PowerPoint lets you pick a color that fits your content and environment, and it only takes a moment to set up. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation so the changes apply to the file you're working on. Then head to the Slideshow tab on the ribbon at the top. This is where PowerPoint groups all the controls related to presenting. You'll find options for how your slides display, whether you use Presenter View, and of course, the laser pointer settings. Next, click the Setup Slideshow button. This opens a dialog box with presentation preferences. Look for the section labeled Show Options. In that area, you'll see Laser Pointer Color. Click it to reveal the available choices. Now choose the color that best suits your slides and the environment where you present. You can select red, green, or blue. Red is the classic choice and works well in most rooms, especially on light backgrounds. Green is typically the brightest and can be easier to see in well-lit spaces or on darker slides. Blue offers a clean look and can reduce visual strain on white heavy decks, but make sure it contrasts with any blue elements in your design. A quick rule of thumb is to match your pointer to what contrasts most with your common slide backgrounds and accent colors. If your slides vary a lot, pick the color that stands out on the majority of them. When you've made your choice, click OK to apply the change. PowerPoint saves this preference with your presentation, so the next time you deliver your slideshow, your laser pointer will appear in the color you selected. This applies in Presenter View as well, and you can return to the same dialog anytime to switch colors as your content or venue changes. The setting doesn't alter your slide content, theme, or animations, only the pointer color you use while presenting. If you don't see the laser pointer color option, make sure you're using the desktop version of PowerPoint and that it's up to date, as menus can vary by version. With that, you're all set. A clear, high-contrast laser pointer makes your message easier to follow and your delivery more polished.